restaurant manager. So this is the main login page in which it has three panels: customer panel, admin panel, employee panel. So first let us go to the customer login. Um, Before that, let's register ourselves into the database. So this is the register page where we can register ourselves. Some X Y Z password will become the password, phone number, address, and pin code. And here we need to choose our preferences. So based on these preferences, our menu card in the customer panel will be set. So let me choose non-veg, registered. Now let's log in. As a password is also set. So this is our customer page. It consists of four panels. This is order now. Like here we can order. This is the history part, and this is order tracking part. So let me order something. Uh, Now, whenever I click on the pay and generate bill, it would take me to another window which generates the bill. So this is the bill. Now, after clicking on save, it again comes back to the part. Now let's track our order. So it is given order received, and delivery is delivered by is null. In the sense, delivery boy hasn't assigned yet. So now let's go to the admin panel. In the admin panel, password is set. Um, so it generally have six panels in which edit menu. Here, admin has the admin can edit the uh, menu items. Let me add something. Let me set the price of it and quantity, and it's a veg. So I added in the database. I added to the database. Now here customer suggestions by the customer will be displayed over here. Complaints from the customers will be displayed over here, and here the admin has the powers to recruit new employees. And here we need to, like here XYZ customer had ordered something, so we need to assign the order for someone. Assign it. And this also I assigned it to this person. Now let me show you. Let me go to the customer panel and show what it's showing. So it's track order. It's showing ready for delivery and delivered by 5 1. Now here we have to here customer support, in the sense it's generally a basic chatbot. Like let me say I haven't received my order, then it would say your order is for out for delivery. Generally it's connected to the database, and here taste is unsatisfactory. I have not asked village. I have payment issues on, and these are suggestions. We need to leave our suggestions. If the customer is not interested, then he could click on ask me later. Then it would take us back to this page again. Now let's see the employee page. Employee page. So here the orders assigned to the respective employee will be shown over here. If he delivered the order, then he would click on done. So it resembles that the order is delivered. Now let me show in the. So here our track order, it is delivered, or delivery status is delivered. And regarding database, so this is our database. We have um six tables in it. Admin table stores uh, all the customers orders made, and here complaints database stores the complaints. Employee details stores the details of the employee. Suggestions table user details. Thank